We are Sattvic Green Energy, and we have a 500 megawatt annual production capacity for solar modules, and we're one of the key players in India, specifically in the north region. Right now our present business is majorly focused in the north. We are supplying to regional EPC companies and the national EPC companies, as well as the developers who are working in the northern market. So this comprises of the projects which are into rooftop and in ground mounted as well. We have been as a company, we have been qualified by all the major developers to supply to them. Our facility has been audited by multiple in rating agencies as well as multiple developers on various quality standards which we meet. So that's why our presence majorly towards is on the ground mounted and the rooftop projects by these companies. But now we have also appointed a channel partner in the South India, and we will soon be doing good business there as well. So we do have the usual polycrystalline modules up to the rating of 335 watt peak, but we have also introduced a poly module in 340 watt peak capacity. Apart from that, the monoperk, we are going up to 380 watt peak. Along with that, in this REI we have launched the modules with anti-glare technology, which are suitable for airports and high-rise buildings, so because this does not create any reflection. Apart from that, we have also launched the bifacial panel, which can give up to 450 watt peak, giving 20 to 25% efficiency from the backside as well. This is with the frame and with transparent backsheet. Along with that, we usually do glass panels for our customers as per their requirements. So that is what we offer. Of course, so in India the module capacity is quite huge and is still increasing, since everyone in the industry is expanding and there are some new players who are entering the industry. Of course, there is demand to cater to that, given the government policies which focus now more on Indian-made products, make in India, and certain duties that have been imposed on the imports. But still there are certain measures that have to be taken care of by the government in terms of implementation of those policies, to be able for the manufacturers to get the actual advantage out of it. So right now our focus is to enter the ground mounted project space, because that is where the volume is, and since now we are a 500 megawatt company, we have to focus on that. Apart from that, the DCR requirement that is upcoming in India because of the new tenders that are coming, so we really look forward to supplying in that, since we have the capacity, we have the certifications to supply in those projects. So the next 12 months look exciting because of the policies that the government has, but it will totally shape up in the next 2 to 3 months when these policies are actually going to be implemented on ground. So for India specifically, the developers are becoming very quality conscious, and it's their right, of course. But there are 2 to 3 key things which any module manufacturer has to take care if they want to supply quality product. One is the BOM that they're using, the raw material that they're using, how good it is, are they managing the IQC properly, and are they auditing the facilities of the manufacturers they're buying the raw materials from. Second is your manufacturing process, of course. For us, that is the state of the art, the best manufacturing facilities that are available in India at the moment. And third, you have to obviously match their price expectation as well as their after sale service expectations. That is something that is very key to today's market when the developers look at buying a product. So I hope we fulfill all these parameters.